That's fast.
That's real fast.
Yeah.
That's nearly 3,000 feet per second.
Is it?
Yeah.
It's a nice shooting gun. Yeah, got it. Here. Go ahead, Jim.
Trying to see if I got a red dot on this thing. Well, I hope it's shooting.
2 left.
I can't see the front sight.
I know it's pretty slight.
Yeah.
Just below it, I think.
Below it?
Just below. The red one, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, just below it. You got a lot of dirt.
Let me see the other one down there. See if I can find that sight.
I had it about halfway up. There it is. That didn't hit as hard as that other one.
No. No, and it's only got a 125 grain bullet.
Oh, is that what it is?
Yeah. You know, the 30 Winchester was made with a 3855. It was neck down.
Oh, okay.
3855, the 3856 was made from. The 3855 was such a wonderful, accurate round that they used it in shooting matches. And they wanted something more powerful.
Is that in there?
That's good.
Yeah, that's good. Which one are you going for?
Oh, the middle ones. I can see it better. I can see the front sight better.
What do we have weasels up here? Dude, don't we?
Maybe.
There was one standing up over there, about a foot high.
Where?
He's gone now. He was there a little while ago. I didn't know what it was because he didn't move, but he was watching us.
Can't see the front sight.
Yeah, it's only a glimmer. Nailed it. Got it.
Yeah, that gun I owned 2 times.
This one right here?
This is one I owned twice.
Is that right?
The one I owned, bought it when it was stolen or taken without permission. Let's put it that way. That's what they told me. They didn't say it was stolen. They said it was taken without permission. It had a 1903 hunting license in the buttstock of this.
Did it really?
Yeah. Some of them have money in there, you know. I took it off.
Oh, yeah.
And there was a hunting license of this guy's grandfather.
I'll be damned.
I still have it.
How cool is that?